welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tiara Fleming, and today we are going to do another DIY project. So in today's DIY, I am going to make my own hanging bamboo style lights, so pendants. So you see these lights up here. I'm going to hang those up there, but I'm going to make it myself. So kind of like a bamboo style, that's why I got these baskets. And I have the lights to go inside. It's very easy. It's really on the cheap side. So if you're not looking to spend a lot of money on buying a bamboo pendant light, you can make your own out of baskets. Like I just got these baskets to match my kitchen, to match the little theme that I'm going with this kitchen slash like living room combo thingy that's going on. So I got these just to see how it will look. Plus we're renting this place. We're renting, so I don't want to go all out and do a whole bunch of things. I just want to see how this looks, see how it turns out. And yeah guys, I'm going to have all the links in my description box of where I got all of my items. But this is nice, cheap, and it's super easy. And I'm going to show you guys today. So yeah, let me get to going. So this is the light bulb that I will be using. So I took all the handles off of both baskets, and I'm actually going to keep these because I might use them for something else. I don't know what I'll use them for, but I'm sure I will find them useful once I do another project. But yeah, all the handles are off of the basket, so this is how it looks. This is the other one. So yeah, let's start this project. Alright, so next I'm going to take the basket, and then I'm going to take the light that has the string attached, and I'm going to put the string inside of the basket because it's going to hang like this. The light is going to be inside and it's going to hang from the inside. Come up closer so you can see. So that's the basket. This is the light, and it's going to go inside. So you won't see the light like this. And the rest of the string is going to come out from the top of the basket, so I can be able to hang it on the ceiling. Also, to make sure that it is in the middle, because you don't want your light to be too far on the left side or on the right side. You want to make sure that the light is hanging from the middle of the basket. Okay, so I'm all done. So this is the inside. As you can see, I tied the knot in the inside of the string. And if you want to turn it on, all you have to do is just pull the string up, and that's how the light will cut on. It's kind of bright, but just pull the string back out and it'll cut off. But yeah, this is how I have it, and it's hanging like this. As you can see, you don't have to make it 2 strings like me, but the strings are so long and I don't want these to hang really long, so I just wrapped it around and I did the inside the same way. But yeah, and now I'm going to hang them on the ceiling so you guys can see, you know, how they look. So now my husband is about to hang them for me. And so he's using these little command strips. They are heavy duty command strips. I showed you earlier how they look. But we're hanging them up here on the ceiling. Yep, so that's the command strip right there. All right, guys, so this is the final look of my DIY light fixtures. They are supposed to be bamboo light fixtures, but this is the final look. And I will show you how they look once I turn on the lights. So I'll turn on the lights so you can see how they look with the lights on. But this is it. I'm gonna zoom in a little and fix the lighting on this so you can see. Then I'm gonna go under so you can see the light bulb underneath. But that is the light bulb underneath inside of the baskets. And like I said, I got these baskets from Target and they were only $15. And the light fixtures, or the light bulbs, I got them from Amazon, and I'll have the link of the store in my description box as well. I'll have everything in my description box, so you will be able to check out the items and purchase them if you want to make one yourself. But yeah, guys, you can use any kind of baskets. The light bulbs that I do have, they are heat resistant, so they will not start a fire. They don't get hot. You don't have to worry about none of that stuff. They are very light, and they are not very bright either, so that's really nice. But yeah, guys, this is how it looks. Let me show you how they look when you turn the light on. So I turned on all the lights right here. So I have on the regular lights from the 3 chandeliers that came with this house. And then my DIY light fixtures are here. And all you have to do, I showed you earlier how to turn on the light bulbs. It's just a simple pull to the string and the light will cut on. But that is how the light bulb looks inside the basket. And that is the final look, guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like what I showed you guys today. If you want to give your home a nice uplift, you know, a little TLC, this is all you have to do without breaking the bank. I believe with the basket and then the light bulb and also the command strips, I think altogether I may have spent maybe, I would say, maybe 30 bucks. If it wasn't 30 bucks, it was less, maybe $25 to 30 bucks. And that was it. And look what I got. Look how that looks, guys. It is so beautiful. And also too, turn it up a little bit. I will have a link of the bar stools too, because people have asked me about those bar stools, which I got from Amazon again. Don't mind my dead flowers. But yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Check out my blog at getwitht.com. Check out my Instagram page at Tiara_FL. That's Tiara_FL. Follow your girl over there because I do a lot of things on my Instagram page. And on TikTok, Tiara F. And also on my Facebook page, Get With T and all the things. I post a lot of stuff on there too. And yeah, get with me, guys. I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching again, and stay tuned for next week's video because I will be doing some decorating, and that will be a really, really fun video. But thanks, guys.